So just go into number 16, perpendicular to the flat red board. This is an excellent docking skill because we're going downwind, which is not advisable, but not always avoidable.
I overshot it.
Well, the wind had a part of that, didn't it?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll look at them. I think we're okay with that boat. Thank you. So, the wind moved us over to the left and we overshot.
right.
So this is, if you've got your druthers, you don't want to dock downwind because the wind will interfere with your plans.
Right.
So let's back it out and try it again. Just back it straight upwind.
And I'm going to let the wind push me a little bit.
I feel it coming in the back door. It's pretty strong.
Oh, it's just right behind. It's directly behind me.
Yep. So we're off center to the right this time.
I overshot one way and now I'm overshooting the other one.
Okay, we've got a boat coming down your port side. He's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, not a problem.
Another boat.
And then another boat behind him. But be aware that his wake will make us wobble a little bit. And if you're docking, the wobble might not be good for you. So we're in Bradenton, Palmetto, and look at those storms to the south. And we're staying at the Twin Dolphins Marina over there. So we're watching on the radar, and when it gets nasty, we're going to head back home and tie up before they eat us up. Okay, now the wind seems to be over on your 8 o'clock instead of your 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
There are two boats coming up behind. One is passing on the port,
Okay,
and the other is right behind us.
okay, neither one are a problem, but they'll give us a little rock.
Okay, well, it's hard to keep it flush.
And we don't want to dock in the wakes. See,
Right.
we'll smash your deckhand's fingers. Back us out, back us out, back us out. Faster, faster, faster. Okay, get us away. We're doing good. Get us away. And see how the wind's pushing us over to the right.
Yeah.
So let's go downwind and try docking practice into the wind, which is the more desirable direction.